Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin seeds at home. So guys, I want to talk about the amazing benefits of pumpkin seeds. First off, pumpkin seeds are packed with nutrients like magnesium, zinc and potassiums, and which are essential for maintaining a healthy body. They are also a great source of fibers which helps keep you feeling full and aid in digestions. But did you know that the pumpkin seed can also improve your heart health, and they contain phytosterols which have been shown to lower cholesterol level and reduce the risk of heart disease. Pumpkin seeds also contain antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammations in the body. And if you are looking for a natural way to boost your mood, pumpkin seeds may be just what you need. They contain tryptophan, which is an amino acid that help produce serotonin and neurotransmitter that regulate mood. So how can you incorporate pumpkin seeds into your diet? You can snack on them raw or roasted. Add them to your favorite trail mix or granola, or sprinkle them on top of the salad or roasted vegetables for a delicious crunch. Overall, pumpkin seeds are a versatile and nutritious adding to any diet, so why not give them a try and reap the many benefits they have to offer. So guys, I am going to show you how to make pumpkin seeds at home without an oven. It's super easy and perfect for those who don't have an oven and just want to quick snacks. First you will need to clean your pumpkin seeds. To do this, simply remove them from the pumpkin and rinse them under cold water. Make sure to remove any excess pumpkin flesh and strings. Next, grab a pan and heat it up on medium high heat, and once it's hot, add your clean pumpkin seeds and stir them around for a few minutes until they started to turn golden brown. Now it's time to add some flavors. You can add whatever seasonings you like, but my personal favorite is just a little bit of salt. You can also add some garlic powder, paprika, or even cinnamon if you want something sweet. Stir the seeds around for another minutes, and that's it. Have delicious homemade pumpkin seeds without even using an oven. They are perfect for snacking on while watching your favorite TV show, or for adding some crunch to your salad. I hope you guys enjoy this quick and easy recipe. Let me know in the comment below. Try it out, and what seasoning you used. Thank you for watching this video.